So Manage Engine has been in the business last 20 years, close to last 20 years. Our primary focus has been around managing the entire technology infrastructure. But based on what happened in the last couple of years, especially the world dealing with the pandemic and people working remote, there is a renowned emphasis on doing information security the right way, right? And that's become one of the top pressing points for technology leaders around the world. So we took cue. We are a company of more than 10,000 people working from remote. And from our experience, we added capabilities to our product suite, which we are announcing exclusively at GITEX. So if you see in the last 2 years, because people have been working from wherever they are, couple of important factors, right? So first is the rise of ransomware attacks. So some statistics say ransomware attacks have grown about 500% because people get their hands on whatever device they could to do their job. So a lot of ransomware attacks are on the rise. And also how data gets stolen, important sensitive corporate data gets stolen. So what companies really need is protection against ransomware, protection against data loss, and these are technologies that we have built in-house that could also be easily consumed by businesses of all sizes, right? So technology is one thing, and delivering it in a way that could be easily consumed and made use of is another. So we are launching a new product to counter data loss prevention for corporations, regardless of where their employees are working from. That is one major announcement, and the second one is our anti-ransomware product, right? So, which is a lot of research has gone into building this particular product. You look at the behavior at the end point, right? It could be your mobile phone or your Windows laptop, right? We look at what is happening in that endpoint, what the users are doing, what are the activities, what new files getting added, applications getting added. Is there any pattern, right, of a ransomware in action? We apply our artificial intelligence algorithms, detect if there is any signs of ransomware in the endpoint. We also automatically invoke a response program, right? So to make sure important corporate data is protected and saved. And these are the highlights. These two are the most important things we are announcing at GITEX for our customers and our prospective customers. I cannot say how important this is. So we have been at GITEX, Manage Engine has been at GITEX since 2007, and every single year we have increased our presence here in terms of the products announcements we do, in terms of number of people that we bring from our various offices here, right? So this face-to-face interaction with customers, with prospective customers, our partners, I would say even our competition, right? It's an opportunity you absolutely don't get anywhere else. And in my experience of seeing events around the world, this is simply one of the biggest, right? And we believe in going big in big events. So which is why our investment at GITEX has been on the increase over the last 15 years. We absolutely look forward to being at GITEX every single year. I talked about remote work being a trend, right? So, and technologies will have to be built around that. The adoption will also be built around that. So there are new technologies that I don't want to just mention for the sake of it. It could be blockchain and things like that. But in my perspective, from Manage Engine's perspective, cloud adoption is very critical, right? It was happening, it was already there, but in the last 18 months, we have seen a rapid adoption, right? So that was an option till 2019, moving to cloud, going to mobile, all of that. Now that has become the way of life, right? If you cannot work from remote as effectively as you are sitting inside the office, like that is not a situation that's acceptable anymore, right? So those technologies will mature into becoming your way of life, right? Your cloud, your sort of the way you interact socially, how you consume your day-to-day things with your mobile apps, all of that. But importantly, the technology that would really fuel the adoption would be your fundamentals, right? How good is your architecture? How robust is your security, right? how privacy is built into the basics of your offerings. All of those going to matter really a lot for this to be effective and also make people really, really productive, right? And that is the trend I see that is going to happen a lot in 2022. We saw that in 2021, and that will continue for at least the next 1 year, right? So fixing the stack so that it becomes way of life for people around the world. We are at Hall 7, booth C1, right? So we have 40 plus products on display, exclusive preview of 5 new products that we are launching at GITEX. We have a team of 30 plus that has flown from India. We have our partners from around the GCC region. So remember, we are at Hall 7. You cannot miss Manage Engine there. I welcome you all to just pay a visit to our booth and see all the products in action. So thank you, Sheri.